How do large industries operate safely 24 hours a day? The answer is Instrumentation Engineering. Instrumentation engineering is used to measure, monitor, and control industrial processes for safe and efficient plant operation. It continuously measures important process parameters like pressure, temperature, flow, and level using sensors and transmitters. The measured signals are sent to PLC or DCS systems, where the process is continuously monitored. If any value exceeds the safe limit, the system generates an alarm and automatically starts corrective action. For example, if boiler pressure becomes too high, the control valve closes automatically to bring it back to a safe level. This improves safety, protects equipment, reduces downtime, and keeps production running efficiently. In simple words, instrumentation means measuring, monitoring, and controlling industrial processes automatically.
Want to learn instrumentation in a simple and practical way? Download the Engineering Study app today and take your instrumentation skills to the next level.